Check the correctness of the equation lambda is equal to h by mv. Here lambda stands for wavelength. The dimension for wavelength is L. H stands for Planck's constant. The dimension for Planck's constant is ml square t raised to minus 1. M stands for mass. The dimension here is m. V stands for velocity. The dimension is lt raised to minus 1. Now applying the dimensions on the equation, I'll take the left hand side of the equation. Left hand side of the equation is lambda. Lambda is having the dimension L. Now I'll take the right hand side of the equation, that is h by mv. Applying the dimensions here, m L square t raised to minus 1 by, for mass it is m, for velocity it is lt raised to minus 1. Now cancelling the like terms, so m and m will get cancelled, one L and another L will get cancelled, t raised to minus 1 and t raised to minus 1 will get cancelled. So the remaining is only L. Now you can see RHS and LHS are having the dimension L. So we can say the equation is dimensionally correct.